Stay on your toes, Sion.
Hey, come on!
A giant shuttle? Are they planning to send this thing into orbit?
Congratulations! Who would have ever thought you'd make it this far?
Echidna.
Now that Mugetsu and PD4 are out of the picture, I shall become #1. Once I defeat all of you!
Sorry, but we don't have time to play with you right now.
I've had enough of your mockery! You haven't changed at all! Ever since you became a special agent, you've been ordering me around. I'm not letting any of you get near the Gallios!
Hell hath no fury.
Hey, come on!
Damn.
Now tell us where the Gallios' hangar bay is.
Too bad. Launch preparations should be done by now.
What?
Main engine activated. Initiating backup system. Prepare for immediate launch. All sections initiate procedures 3A through 5C. This is not a drill. Raise elevator output from 70 to 80%. Prepare to open the main gate. Section C, Squad 6 and 7. Relocate to trailer at the air carrier on runway B. They are interfering with the Gallios' takeoff. The Gallios' controls will be transferred to a local station from the main terminal. Activate Fire activation confirmed. Engine output is optimal.
We're too late? So that's the Gallios.
It's bigger than I thought.
What's keeping her? We need help now!
Sorry to keep you waiting. For now, the best we can do is buy you some time. Use the air carrier to get on board the Gallios.
Leanne wants the impossible. Well, as they say, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. Okay, let's get going.
How?
With that.
You think we can catch it with that?
Let's go while those fighters are keeping it busy.
I just hope we make it before the boosters ignite.
You better hurry.
this thing.
It's Mugetsu! I've been waiting for you! Now that I don't have to worry about Duragon or the girl.
Who's gonna pilot this thing?
Me? Fine, I'll do it.
I can't wait to butcher all of you! I'll do it. I can't wait to butcher all of you!
Any way you look at it, you're going to hell.
Game over.
Any way you look at it, you're going to hell. Any way you look at it, you're going to hell.
No, it's not over. It's not over yet. I haven't...
Incineration, huh? You'd better get used to it where you're going.
Let us begin, Dominique. We will start with that accursed hospital.
It's you! Hey, it's that Black Panther again. Another one of Doragon's pets? Sion?
She resembles someone who's very important to me. But she died long ago.
Come on, Sion. Let's go get Dominique. So you won't have to suffer through any of this again.
All right. Dominique!
Stop it, Duragon.
With this satellite, I will provide unlimited energy to those who will follow me, and I will demonstrate what happens to those who cross me.
You're going to rule the world with the satellite?
Human beings want to be controlled. They forsake those who offer no benefit. They lord those with power. They can do nothing for themselves. Mankind's true desire is to be dominated by absolute power.
Dominique! Stop!
What's wrong, Dominique?
I don't think your sister agrees with you.
Sister? This useless puppet?
You're the one who created Dominique!
I'll take you on with both arms. This is your reward for being such a nuisance!
There's no turning back now. It's time to go all out. That was pretty good. Not many get to see me break a sweat.
You could never understand the humiliation that I have gone through. The burden of having to be the best, of having to be worthy!
You must be joking, right?
Be.
Mission complete.
Dominique!
Sion? It was terrible. I was dreaming that I was killing lots of people.
It was just a bad dream, and you won't have any more of them. I promise.
Oh no.
Hey, we're gonna ram the satellite. Volt, change course!
This ain't no air carrier.
Damn it!
Bouncers, can you hear me?
Leanne.
I'm sending this dispatch because I know you guys are alive. The Gallios is programmed to separate once it gets near the satellite. The front section will separate from the aft portion and dock with the satellite. The aft portion is designed to return to Earth. If you can hear me, get your butts to the rear of the shuttle. I repeat, I'm
We must
sending
have
this
taken control of the
dispatch because I
Mikado
know
building
you
and
guys
pried the
are
information
alive.
from the scientists.
The Gallios is programmed to separate
Who is
once it
that?
gets near the
Now's not the
satellite.
time for 20 questions. We gotta get to the
front
rear of the
section
shuttle.
will separate from the aft portion and dock with the satellite. The aft portion is designed to return to Earth. If you can hear me, get your butts to the rear of the shuttle. I repeat.
Good job. A nice long vacation is waiting for you back home. I'll get in touch with you later about future assignments.
That woman sure knows how to use a man. Man, I'm so bored. This place has been too quiet ever since that incident.
Hey, if we're not doing anything, it means the bar's doing just fine, right?
Yeah, but still. My amazing skills are gonna go to waste if I don't use them.
Sion!
You look like you're doing good as usual, young lady.
Oh, what about you, Ko? How are you doing?
I'm doing great. A bouncer can't make a living without being fit.
Good, as long as you have your health.
Ko, it's your shift.
You got it.
It turns out, although the satellite was destroyed, the target will still need to be watched over. Now that your replacement's been assigned, you're free to take your vacation.
Well, actually, you think it would be possible for me to continue this assignment?
Well, I'm sure it'll be okay, but why the sudden change of heart?
I don't know. I just feel like I should stick with it.
I'll let High Command know then. Remember, don't get too involved with your assignment. You got that?
See? I told you to be careful, Sion.
Understood. The bar should be closing up soon. Time to work the last shift and call it a night. Forgot about my day job.
Sorry, I know you're closing shop soon, but I've got one more job for you. I want you to go to the Central Plaza.
What's the rush? Is it another assignment?
You'll find out when you get there.
Did I keep you waiting?
Leanne!
I've got orders from command. I'm here to fight you.
What? What? What's the meaning of this?
Just testing you. They didn't want you to watch over the target if you lacked the skills to beat me.
They don't have much faith in me, do they?
What did you expect? If you had been doing your job, the incident wouldn't have snowballed into something that big.
So, what's gonna happen now?
You passed. You'll continue with your current assignment. See you later.
Hey, yo, wait a minute. I haven't seen you in a long time and all, so, like, why don't we...
I thought I told you it's against regulations to get personally involved with your assignment.
It's a tough job.
Are you sending me some kind of sign tonight? Trying to tell